Welcome back. So, nimetoka kusoma finance bill. I've never used my time like kabisa 2 hours to read something that entails the government. I've never. But this time round nimesoma finance bill, and let me tell you the findings, we do not need that thing. We do not need it kabisa. It needs to be taken, iwekwe kwa trash, iende ichomwe, itupiliwe kwa kabisa to sahau that something like that ever happened in Kenya. We forget that our president wanted to impose tax on pads, tax on bread, tax on diapers, tax on cancer patients. Someone is on their deathbed but anataxiwa. Someone is on their deathbed na ananyang'anywa pesa. You want to tell me like as long as you're an adult, 25 years old, whether you have a job or not, you're going to be paying tax. 300 Kenya shillings every single month. 300 Kenya shillings. Yo, you guys, sijui kama tunaelewa hii kitu. I don't know if we know the impact in hii kitu iko nayo on us. You know, our parents ni waoga. Parents wetu ni waoga. They're so scared. I don't know why they're scared. But this generation, hii millennials na Gen Zs, we are so proud. We are like I'm asking this. This brings me to my question. Wakenya tuko UK, wakenya tuko Canada, wakenya tuko US, wakenya tuko Australia. Can we like tunaweza protest? Ama ni watu mlishaenda protest, like mlishaanza kufanya protest na mimi sijui, mimi ndo niko kwa nyumba peke yangu. I don't know. Have you guys mko kwa streets? And if not, tunaweza fanya kitu kama hiyo, tumekubaliwa kufanya kitu kama hiyo, like can we protest peacefully? Najua tunaweza pata support from, police wa huku. Can we do something like that here? I'm just asking. And if inawezekana, please tag me. Like I'm so proud. I am so proud. There's no way you're going to tell me like our ancestral land is no longer ours. Ni mali ya government. It's a Kenyan property. It's a government property. Like si yetu. You want to tell me like tunalipa sijui housing tax, sijui levy, sijui whatever, na tujaiona mtu mwenye anaishi kwa nyumba ya government? Ama kuna mtu anaishi kwa nyumba ya government? Like let me know, are there people who wenye washaambiwa hama kutoka kwenye unaishi, there's a government like nyumba imejengewa, can you go live there? Is there a community like wenye umeshajengewa manyumba like wanaishi huko? I'm just wondering because kuna hiyo taxing ya nyumba pia. You want to tell me mtoto akizaliwa nje ya Kenya, akirudi Kenya, they have to pay 1.2 million Kenya shillings for them to be Kenyan citizen? Na wazazi ni wa Kenya, wote wazazi ni wa Kenya. You want to tell me like we'll have to pay 1.2 million for every child born outside Kenya for them to be a Kenyan citizen? Wow. And I saw another like this lady who is supposed to be fighting for our rights, fighting for everything about women, is over there saying, oh, I don't use pads, I use tampons, so it doesn't concern me. This woman is a pickmisha. I don't judge her kwa life yake na amechagua ya personal life, but this life yenye inahusu wa Kenya, you want to say that it's none of your business because you don't use pads, you use tampons. And they're saying pads zenye zimeimportiwa, like zenye zimetolewa kutoka other countries, are the ones to be taxed. Na zenye zimemekiwa locally, they are not going to be taxed. Na zenye zimemekiwa locally, they are trash. They are burning us. Literally, zinatuchoma. There's nothing. Hey, yo, you guys, kama hujasoma hii finance bill, take your time. Enda tuisome. The more I read it, the more bile kept, rising. Niko nasikia tu, niko na heartburn. What is this? Ini nini? And some MPs, they're trying to, to convince us at it's a good thing. No, it's not. It's not a good thing. It's not even supporting us in any way. I would say it is not supporting us in any way. If anything, imekuja tu kutumaliza by force, unanyang'anya mtu. Let me tell you, tax ni like, and the employees are the most like ni watu wenye wanalipa tax the most. Employees before pesa kufikia ushakatwa, wataki kujua like kama uko na bills zinakungoja, kama uko na madeni zinakungoja, kama uko na loans, they don't care. They'll take their part. Watachukua pesa yao. Which, let me tell you guys, mimi I don't find it like, yes, kateni tax, but kata tax tukiona pale inaenda. fanyeni kitu ya maana na hizo tax zenye mnatukata nazo. And the police wa Kenya, like Kenyan police are the poorest, like they're the poorest, they are the poorest employees in Kenya, I can say. Because why are you telling me unaishi kwa nyumba ya mabati and you come like unataka kupiga watu wanakutetea wewe na watoto wako, unataka kuwatupia tear gas, unataka kuwaumiza, na they are fighting for your right. They're the most poorest. These people, they don't even earn up to 30,000. They don't even earn up to 30,000. They're the poorest. You know, wako na hasira. They have wako na bitterness. I don't know where that's why wanachukuanga hongo. That's why wanachukuanga uto to 50 to 50 50 50 50. They're the ones like what every time wanakupata tu kwa makosa ni toa kitu kidogo. They're frustrated with life. Wako frustrated. So hiyo hasira wanaiamua tu wanaitoa kwa wananchi. They're the most poorest people. Wanaishi kwa nyumba ya mabati. Shared accommodation tu pale. Where so long as you show up kwa kazi. I'm telling you guys, this finance bill, reject it 100 times. Reject it 100 times. There's no way you're going to tell me unataka like condoms ziko free. Condoms ziko free. Na sex ni kitu yenye ni watu wanajitakia. Watu like if you want it, go for it. Period. You cannot stop it. You cannot stop it. Imekuja. You can't postpone kunyesha. You cannot. And I'm so proud of those people who turned up kwa streets. I'm so proud of you guys. We do not want it to be amended. We want it to be like rejected kabisa. Iondolewe, like isiai hata patikani anywhere, even kwa vitabu za history isiai patikana, like tusahau to something like that ever happened. Tusahau tu kitu kama hiyo iliifanyika kwa Kenya, kwa nchi ya Kenya. Sahi our president ukimuuliza interior zote za ndege anajua. The other day I saw someone calling him air hostess. She is air hostess huyo. Anajua interior zote, anajua servings zote, anajua everything, anajua, he knows. And let me tell you, his visitation to US wasn't for a good reason. And that makes me, and wacha niwaambie, I've seen so many people complaining like, oh, Kenyan celebrities, they're not coming out to support this thing. Watu wanaogopa gigs zitapotea. Companies won't give them money. Like, I don't want to mention names, but they are fearful. Wanaogopa. Hata hao wanaogopa wenyewe. They fear. Wanaogopa. Wanasema tu, if we talk about this thing, we are going to lose a lot of gigs. We are going to lose a lot of money. That is the reason why wanaogopa. That is the reason why most of them wanakanyagia tu story. But deep down, najua hata wao ina affect. Tell me why you are taxing content creators. Mtu tu mtu kama mimi nimesimama hapa na kamera yangu, I'm talking to my phone literally, na imagine kuna watu kwa kichwa yangu, I'm talking to them, and you want to come and take this money? You're a joker. Reject finance bill. If we don't fight right now, let me tell you guys, if we don't fight right now, tutakuwa kwa number 1 list ya the poorest countries in Africa. I'm telling you for free. At least if you're taxing people, make it, wacha waone penye hiyo pesa inaendea. Wacha waone penye hiyo shughuli inaendea. Not for your own, like for your own gain. Tell me why deputy president's wife analipwa such amount of money surely. Amefanya kazi gani? Just kuombea nchi kusema tu, oh, Mungu ataleta baraka, Mungu atafanya nini, Mungu atapoteza mafuriko, Mungu you know. It doesn't make sense, honestly. It doesn't make sense. Inatufinyilia like kwa ground, chini kabisa, chini. And some MPs wanna try to convince one to it's for the good reason. It's not for the good reason. Atuitaki. If you want sit down, you still have time. Bado July ijaingia, you still have time. You can create a new finance bill. Tuone vile kutakuwa. Na bado kama ni trash, we are on the streets. Na Kenyans in abroad, we need to pia sisi to represent. Tusinyamaze, we have to, because it's affecting us, all of us. Inatumiza sisi wote wenye tuko huko, inatumiza. Gari, kama uko na gari, every year you have to, like, you know, I've come to realize, like, hii mambo ya tax vile ina happen, you be paid your salary, kabla ikufikie washakata pati yao. Okay, washakata pati yao. Ukienda kubuy food, already kuna tax kwa hiyo food, ishakatwa. Ukienda kubuy nguo, already kuna tax, already utakatwa hapo. Like literally anything, kila kitu unaenda tu kununua iko na VAT tax hapo, iko na tax, everything You want to tell me I'm working so hard, like sipati hata chance ya kuenjoy my money? Mtu analipwa 696 million Kenya shillings every month. Renovation ya nyumba. Like these are misplaced priorities. This is what I call misplaced priorities. Nyumba ya Ruto haiku inaenda kuanguka, like haiku inabomoka. He was sleeping in peace. He's even no longer like he doesn't even stay in the country for a month. Mtu ana travel to all over. Then you want to renovate nyumba ilitumika kujenga 400 million. So you just jenga another house. Just jenga another house. Let us stay woke. Let us make noise. Let us go to the streets, watch to march until our voice itusikize. And the good part is Anonymous. And hey, you guys, if you don't know Anonymous, I was on Twitter the other day. I saw Anonymous, they've sent a message to Ruto warning him, if he doesn't listen to the people, they are going to expose the bullshit that is going on, the secrets that are on the Kenyan government, on this government's whatever state. If he doesn't listen to us, if he doesn't listen, Anonymous, they're big on human rights. They are hackers na wanajua secrets za watu mingi, big time. If he doesn't take action, if he doesn't listen to us, Loki, natamani tu asitusikize ndo tujue hizo secrets. Does that make me a bad person? No, because hata pia mimi nataka kujua hizo secrets ni gani. Because akitusikiza, definitely that means atajua secrets. Loki, nataka asisikize, tujue secrets ni gani. Anonymous, like if you don't know, go search Anonymous, utajua tu Anonymous ni akina nani. Nobody knows their location, nobody knows ni akina nani, hakuna mtu anajua. They even whatever will expose Trump. Wajua Trump ni nani? They exposed him. Hawaogopi. If he doesn't listen to us, that is the way to go. That is the way to go. I'm glad that we are getting support from all over the world. I'm glad that. Now imagine our president is hated home and away. Na Uhuru alituona akawaambia magai nyinyi na nimewaona tu, mtanikumbuka. Ndo hii mnamkumbuka na ndo hii mnamuita. He had his downfalls, lakini at least hakuwa ametupeleka mbio kama huyu Zakayo. Hakuwa ametupeleka mbio. Hakuwa ametupeleka mbio hii design. But anyway, let us reject this finance bill. Haitusaidii, ni ichomwe na tusahau hiyo story kabisa. Big up for Gen Zs, big up for millennials, big up for everyone who mwenye ali show up. Like it gave me thrills, like nilikuwa na feel to yes. Like na feel ni kama tunafightia independence all over again. It's like we are fighting for independence for our country all over again. It gave more fighters. Like I'm a proud Kenyan. Those people fighting, mi nafurahia. Inanipea thrills, like una feel to chills kwa mwili, una feel to happiness, una feel to ni furaha, people fighting kwa streets. Hata kama watu people, alafu funny thing is nobody vandalized anything. Like maduka za watu tu zilikuwa tu sawa, they were supportive, watu walikuwa wamefungua biashara, they were supportive. And now the government is trying to pay people ati waende waibe ndo waseme ati demonstrations ndo zilifanya watu wapoteze mali yao. Come on, watu si wajinga. People are not stupid. If anything, nyinyi ndo wajinga, mnafaa mwamke, mnafaa mpoteze hiyo kitu. Like disappear, let it disappear. Mtu saa chukue hiyo kitu na atoroke. I'm tired, my goodness, I'm so tired. But anyway, reject finance bill. I will say